Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Gaming Night. This is just a quick video. This is snack time with Gaming Night. Got some snack here to show you. It's gummy sharks, blue sharks. So these are my favorite ones out of the bunch. I like the fact that it's like, it's like do 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 do. Mess around. They're very chewy. I like to warm them up a little bit. Put them on something, warm so they're a little softer, but if you never had these, if you like, they're kind of like, they almost taste similar to the Swedish fish, but they got like another flavor with it. I can't quite put my finger on it. My favorite thing to drink, wash it down with, is this black and white iced tea. So, anyways, that's about it. So, yeah, like I said, if you like tea, this one's not as sweet, and it's very interesting. The black and white tea leaves and stuff really complement each other really well, and gives it that nice, like almost kind of like equivalent to sun tea taste to it. So I'll see you next time with another video. See you next time. Bye.